Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how can you update your phone date in iPhone guys. You want to update your phone date, so as you can update. And guys, now let's see how to update phone date in iPhone guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So first of all guys, come in your phone setting app and guys click on this journal setting and let's click on date and time. Let's click on this date. So as you can update your date from here guys, like you can choose any month like July, August, September, October guys, like that. And guys you can update date from here, like guys today is 22, so 23, 24, 25. So as you can update your date from here guys. So I suppose guys we will click on this 24 and guys come back. So as you can update your phone date in iPhone. So I hope friends you have understood how to update phone date in iPhone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet to next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.